What's good, y'all? It's your boy Thomas Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness, and once again, glad to here with y'all. Back at it again with another video. So I was super duper busy yesterday. Um, they've been having me do basically just driving the truck and like doing pickups and drop offs and stuff like that now. So it's totally different. But today's video, I am going to talk about keeping your eye on the target, not allowing your emotions to sway you in the wrong direction, actually having the emotional intelligence to get things done, right? And the reason why I want to express that is because number one, when it comes down to, you know, being the one to break the generational curse in your family and being the one to, you know, one day you want to be rich, very, very wealthy, things of that nature, you have to move with strategy, okay? And you have to remember that even with these jobs that we're working, you may not be getting paid the amount of money that you want per hour, but you have to be the one to determine your worth, right? And me, quote unquote, complaining about it, because I don't look at it as complaining, I look at it as expressing myself, but some people may look at it as complaining, right? Me talking about it, just in general, it does nothing. It's not going to change the situation, right? The only person that can really change the situation is me, point made, period. So what I do is I focus on more skills that I can add to my repertoire, right? You hear that word? And I learned that if I can get these high income skills down packed, the $20 an hour will be a cakewalk, right? Because the job is just a source of income. It is not the only source of income. So throughout this video, I just need y'all to catch the gems that I am gonna, be saying in this video. If you are new and you want to help me grow the YouTube channel, you can subscribe. You can also give the video a thumbs up if you gain something from it. These things are free. That's all that I ask. All right. Welcome to my channel. Thank y'all for rocking out with me. Shout out to everybody for retaining their energy. Now, bruh. So, all right. So the past couple days, I've been grinding, bruh. I've really been grinding. I've been in a super duper a super duper flow state. I've been in the zone. That's what I like to call it. In the zone, right? And the job is cool, right? It's like a love hate relationship with it because the amount of work that you got to do it's a lot, right? But when I deliver to the customers, it makes me feel good. So the past 2 days, I had to deliver cremate cremate pet remains, right? So the pet obviously got cremated, and it made me think like this job is just bigger than just delivering people's mail. It's making sure customers really get the stuff that they need, and you see the look on their face. And I let them know, of course, like I'm sorry for your loss, but it made me feel good to deliver the things that they need. You deliver medicine, important products, whatever, right? So I always keep my mind on the mission. The mission is what? Okay, bet. I may not be making $50 an hour at the job, but if I can get this down pack and I can continue to put more money to work, right? And I have more money working while I'm working, I can outpace the $20 an hour, which technically I'm already doing, to be real with y'all. Um, and my main focus too is owning more real estate. So every day when I'm out there, I'm thinking about the mission. I'm thinking about the target. Now, if I sit there and I quit and I say, oh, I don't want to work this job no more, I'm out. I'm not in a position to have anything that is generating me enough income to leave the job. You get what I'm saying? Now, some people just quit and just leave it in God's hands, which I respect, right? But I also have to think, like, you also have to think logically as a person. Yes, you got to walk in faith, not by sight. That's very, very real. That's very, very true. But you also got to remember, bro, the bills don't stop. The bills ain't going to stop coming. You about to renew your lease. You know, you got things that you got to take care of. So for the time being, grind it out. Don't give them your all because you still got to work on your own craft. You still got to take care of your own self, right? No matter how hard you work, it's not going to up your pay. You may do a little bit of overtime, but it's still going to get taxed heavy. But you still got to keep your eye on the target. The way that I view myself is I view myself as a person that is able to do what he set his mind to. And I don't focus on what other people are doing. Like, I've deleted social media. Only time I posted was on my birthday, right? It's very refreshing to not be on social media because I'm not looking at other people's lives and what they're doing and look at this person and look at that person. I don't care about none of that. I care about my actual real life and what is Terrence doing to better his life off the camera. I don't show you my entire life on the camera, bro. This is not a reality TV show. I come on here to give y'all positive messages, to speak life into the people, to tell y'all what y'all need to hear. Every time I tell y'all need to invest y'all money, I really mean that because you cannot outwork inflation. It takes people too long to get paid money. You, your natural flow state is generating income every day, right? That is your natural flow state. And and if you don't own anything on the planet, you are going to be left behind because the wealthiest people in the world own a whole bunch of stuff. The richest people in the world own a whole bunch of stuff. And this also forces me to think bigger. Does it come with a lot more responsibility? Absolutely, bro. Absolutely. The biggest responsibility is maintaining it, keeping it, growing it. Everybody can make money. You make money from your job. You can make money being an entrepreneur. You can make money selling products. Everybody can do it. You could go outside right now, go sell water, go sell lemonade. In the wintertime, you could sell hot chocolate. You can sell clothes. You can make money on YouTube. But the next step is how do I keep it and how do I put it to work? Because the average person does not know what to do with money. That is why people play the lottery because they want a lump sum of money to buy things. Instead of saying, if I hit this number one day, I'm going to put this money into something that's going to help it grow so that me and my family could be okay for the rest of our lives. A lot of people don't think like that, though. I don't play the lottery, me personally. I don't. And I'm not even a fan of it. But I say all that to say, do not let how you feel in a moment sway you from the mission. You gotta stay focused on the mission. You gotta stay tunnel vision, bro. You gotta stay resilient. And you have to be disciplined. I consciously know, bro, I consciously know that yes, the job don't care about you. Yes, you are just a number. I consciously know these things, bro. I know this already. But I also know too, You block out the outside noise, you block out the distractions, you do what you got to do. You work on your own stuff outside of the job, and you make sure that you use some of the income to grow. You put it into assets, you put it into something, right? So that one day you can get out of the job. Your whole life is not the job, right? You get what I'm saying? You gotta move it a strategy. You have to have a plan. People that work at one place for 30 to 40 years, 50 years, they don't have a plan, bro. Their plan is just let me just work and then retire and then live the rest of my life. That's not a plan. That is just being a part of the system forever. Working for something that they're printing every day. So I just wanted to make this quick video for y'all. I missed y'all. I love y'all. I hope you guys enjoy y'all Sunday today. I'm gonna have a lot more videos for the YouTube channel. We gotta definitely get on the algorithm. We gotta keep working, and I gotta keep adding value to the people. I'm going to start promoting my ebooks again because I'm growing a bigger audience, and I do know that I have valuable information that I can give to the people. And the ebook that I'm already, working on, I got more work to do. So I don't have a release date yet, but I am gonna keep working on it because I want this one to do good as well. Okay. But with that being said, move with a strategy. Don't let your emotions sway you in the wrong direction. Put your money to work because if you don't put your money to work, you'll be working for money forever. And stay disciplined and stay true to yourself. All right. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. Enjoy your day. I love y'all. Like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Yes, sir.